It's a big day in the political corridors of Maharashtra because Maharashtra Speaker Rahul Narwekar is all set to deliver the verdict on the disqualification petitions against Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and 16 rebel MLAs. Now, the operative part of the verdict is likely to be announced around 4 p.m, while the detailed order will be given to both the groups later. Now, just as what it could possibly be in terms of speculation, if the Speaker's verdict rules in the favour of Eknath Shinde, it will only further cement his position in the Maharashtra government, as well as Shinde will gain a stronger stamp of legitimacy. If the verdict announced is in Uddhav's favour, it will elevate Uddhav Thackerays position in the Maha Vikas Aghadi as well, possibly get back the legacy in the form of the party name and symbol. So it's very significant for both the groups this morning. Amid all of this, an urgent meeting was also held between the Deputy Chief Minister Fadnavis and Chief Minister Shinde at his residence Varsha to possibly decide what to do next.
Sir, would like to know that tomorrow will be the historic verdict of Shiv Sena's MLAs disqualification case. And Uddhav camp has already filed an application against you, imposing some very serious allegations. What do you have to say about it?
These allegations are not serious at all in nature. These allegations are being levelled only to influence the decision-making process. There is no merit in these there is no merit in these allegations whatsoever. I would have expected a former Chief Minister to know what are the responsibilities and duties of a speaker. Just because he is adjudicating an issue pertaining to disqualification of members, that does not mean that he is seized from or he should not meet the Chief Minister with regards to other responsibilities devoted to the office of the Speaker. Please understand, as the Speaker of the State Assembly, I am the head of the board of the state legislature. The Chief Minister is also part of the board of the state legislature, which takes important decisions with regards to various issues of the state legislature. There are issues pertaining to contracted employees of the state legislature, the permanent appointments which have to be done immediately. There are issues pertaining to my constituency, which have been pending for quite some time. I had sought the Honorable Chief Minister's time for discussing various issues for the 3rd of January. However, on the 3rd of January, I contracted influenza and therefore I could not meet the Honorable Chief Minister, and I had requested to postpone this meeting.
Sir, what is the legal remedy for the MLAs which may be disqualified?
Well, the disqualified MLAs can go to the court and challenge the decision of the Speaker. That is the only remedy. Because Speaker, so far as Speaker is concerned, his decision is final. He cannot review his own decision. So that can be reviewed only by the court. Therefore, they have to go to the court, and there is no other alternative available to them.
Can they approach Supreme Court directly, or they have to approach first High Court?
Well, they can go to the Supreme, perhaps Supreme Court, will direct them to go to the High Court. That is what happens normally in such cases. Well, that is immaterial, whether they go to the High Court or the Supreme Court. Both are constitutional courts, so that's okay.
But they have to knock the gate of
they can. That is the only option before them when they are disqualified. So they will have to go. They will have to go to the court to challenge this decision of the Speaker.